Look at that. Why? Them what that me? Oh!
To a go on in the world, you know. You better you go your bed.
What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here for another episode of Franklin Stories. But before I do anything else, you know the strips already. We have to big up the people them. So I want to spend a special big up to Apollo.wav. The youth here, he make the reading them way here and knock back at the video. Yeah, he make the reading them for me. As you may notice in the last episode where Franklin escaped the 5 stars, like that beat there was just crazy. So big up Wav. Anybody who want on a rhythm, go over him page, see him Instagram there. Go over him page, DM him, he will message you back. I think him there in New York if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I think in New York him there if I'm not wrong. So support him, young producer people. You don't know. We love young talent around here. You don't know. So let's jump into the big up after shout outs of the people who get the last answer them right. At random, right? So enough people get it right. So one big up Jamar Sims. Big up yourself, Jamar Sims. One big up Malik Gamer. Big up yourself, Malik Gamer. Yeah, got it right. Young Jenna. Up to Shakira Corbett. Big up yourself, Shakira Corbett. Big up yourself. You got it right. Nikisha Witter. Big up yourself, Nikisha Witter. Really appreciate the ladies them being over here. Dan Skeet, big up yourself. Dan Skeet, big up yourself. Timothy McFarlane, big up yourself. J, you don't know. So yeah, those are some people at random who get it right, and we never shout out none of them people before, so me I shout them out. So why me care apart on this? Well, I don't know what long is about. I could leave the place, yeah. So what I do today, I go do some missions with Franklin Story because the people them love me. Me not crash this, so I bet you know. One of the things that I go crash. So before I do anything else, I want to change Franklin clothes. So I could drive over the clothes store, go buy some clothes for him. And then I could do it. This is it. Watch there. Good for now. I have abilities.
Shut up your mouth, man.
Yeah. Yo, look at that car now, the brake car. What?
Hey, you don't see me driving here?
Sorry, I never see. Yo, what going on, sir? Yo, alright, done that. Me still can't find me G-Wagon people. I don't know what them do with it, or the police them do with it, who thief it or what, but it gone, even though it insured. So I still have problem getting my G-Wagon back. Huh! How you crash this, sir? Look on my car! Look on my car, people! Look on my car! Look on my car! Yo! I just come out and tree. How plan to cheat this door? What you call dirt bag? Dirt bag? The bright and face, the old dirt bag. Where? Well, I know some car great. You're not jumping at door. The dirty self. You come dirty up man leather seat. Outside that.
I can't speak.
You can't drive. You can't drive. You good? Come out. You good? Well, you're not good. Me get some money out of your pocket by accident on purpose. Sorry about that. Never mean for that. Oh, what? What should we? Watch out! No! That not get pick. That not get pick. That me sorry. That not get pick.
Let's see what you got.
Cha. You're driving on my car, pa. Hey. As a people. The reason why me got in my car through the passenger door all the while is because me live in England and police. Me live in England and the car with me have the driver's seat is on the right hand side. So that is why me always do it like that. Me not mean to do it, but it's just a habit. Come and take say, you know, and my BMW may drive, which it is not, you know. So that is the reason why me do it. Okay? For those people who are asking in the comment section why you go in the car from the passenger door all the while, it's just a habit. Okay? Like me say, me live in England, and we drive on the other side of the road as well, not the same side as America. For those who don't know, okay. Police are come. Oi! Sorry, I was looking at the map.
Something alright, yeah.
I was looking at the map. You can't tell me different. I was looking at the map. People. Me not take that L there. Nope. Me not take that L there. No time. But literally, I was looking at the map to search for the police and there. But yeah, we drive on the other side of the road in England, and we driver's door up on the other side as well in England. So what's my people in here, sir? What's my people sitting in here, sir? What's my
Something alright.
Why we think that people them? Yo, yeah, no sense that. That's serious without no sense. How many shoes them there? No, I don't want them on now. If I can't find my shoes here, so I have to go back home and go for my shoes, because I know I have the white shoes them. I don't want them shoes here. Peace out. Alright, see there again, people. What me do? What me do a while ago? Me go into the passenger door. Cause like me say, me carry my have up here, so that me do. My God, it's not change, so get used to it, people. I go back home for my sneakers because me not wearing a white shirt, blue. Oi, that lucky. Don't call me Beverly.
I guess that's her.
Police are, yeah, you're good with police. Nope, me not pursue nobody. Me I go for my shoes or pursue puppy. Nope, you depend that. Now mash up my car. Police can do that himself. Police get paid, no? They get paid, Mr. Officer. Go for them. Business you do. Them gone. Them good, man. Them good. Me not pursue nobody. Me I go for my shoes. Business with them. Fail for what? What me I pursue Papi for? What Papi have to do with me?
I guess that's her.
Alright, cool. I'm gonna do it. Cause Papi not nothing to do with me really and truly. My business with Papi and our police friend them. What me do, man? Oh!
I am in pain. I am in severe pain.
Oh! Oh God! I'm gonna feel again. What me do? Oh, that a while ago. See there? Them make me take up other people's problem for my head and me sure. I don't think you're sin, Bridget. Them think you're proper sin, dog. Cause me no want nothing to do with Papi and our friend and our oh God. Me never cut out for look there people. Me never cut out for this. Me not cut out for this. Me cut out for shoot people and bust up people head. Me not cut out for this and a driving thing. And I chase down Papi. See a police helicopter out. So what I mean if you pursue her for? Yo, things never go as planned. Anytime I plan something, it never go as planned. All I want to do is go home for my shoes. Watch out, Kiara gets skipped. Watch out, I think I'm alone. Police! Police! No! Oh, I think some guy over there now. Oh. Watch it. Things never go as planned. I'm on though. Got the shop. Oh gosh. I'm not even kill a girl, man. Because a girl that cause too much problem now, you know, that big man thing, you know. I want to go on for my shoes, Bridget. Officer, at the first, me I help out them police officer. Because them always after me, want to kill me. Yo, girl, Papi, stop. Oh, what you look at she stop?
Man, how the fuck I get myself into this?
And that more I know, like what me do? How me get myself into this? I'm one of the people I got me yard and buy Got me out, get me sneakers. And done. And done doing me at the light. Really and truly. That's all I want to do. That's all I want to do. I don't know how me get involved in this. People left a comment and tell me exactly what me I do wrong if I don't get it. Because me can't remember that mission. Me can't remember it. All I want to do, I just do a normal mission phone out today. And this look like it now go on. It now go happen. I don't know what go on. I don't know what it is. God no, I don't know what this. This puppy girl here. Alright, she go crash us now.
Get out of the car!
This isn't happening. This isn't happening.
This is
It happen.
Step away from the vehicle. There. Pretty sexy. You're Poppy Mitchell. I saw that video of you.
How did I look?
Oh yeah, good. Hey, can I get an autograph?
I'll do anything just to let me know.
Anything?
Oh, get out of there before me get busted. Alright, cool. Get out. Get out of there before me get busted. Alright, cool. Yo, me a sweat, brethren, like literally a sweat. Cause I don't know what me for do yesterday a while ago, like. All of them suck me, like. I'm one to know I got me yard now. I'm one to know I got me yard now. Can I go home? That's all I want to know. Got me yard and get me sneakers on and then come back out. That's all I want to do. Like, oh, me get caught up in a puppy and a foolishness. Beverly, what you want?
Can I say, A-grade journalism. Our little sex tape said sloppy poppy and a full look.
Yo, come from phone, man, and go. Yes, man. But A-grade journalism. My youth, you can't pay me enough for this in the dark. Something wrong with you in the brethren. Can I eat yes man style at them? Oh God. I'm in pain. Oh God. Why? I don't know, like there's something what am I tell man for doing this man a
Bad man.
sure. I'm gonna get my sneakers on here, man. Alright, see you now, people. You look fresh now when I'm what? Look there! Yo! Must get a girl tonight. Mr. Me must get a girl tonight. Hope chop asleep, you know. Hope chop me run there, do up the place, you know. Watch out.
Another turd chop? Oh, I gotta school your ass.
Yo, chop. You're good, man. What do you do, brother? You're good. Alright, here I go now. Let me go on, let me go. Look here, people. Look at me in my garage. Police car. Yo, them dead. Alright, jump in my car. Actually, take the bike. Take the bike. Put on my helmet. Dog, you couldn't have on a white helmet if you just match out. Look at me look good. Come on here, so. People, remember, wriggle a forward up in another episode. Oh, you have that and still crash. Oh, people, yo, this is madness, dog. I swear. But yeah, people, if you like these episodes of Franklin Stories, don't forget to leave a like, smash up the like button, thump up the like button, throw up the like button, you know, headlock the like button. Also, comment down below and tell me what you would like to see me do, which video are your favorite videos, and also comment down below if you're new around here. And don't forget to subscribe also, cause me notice a lot of you watch the video and don't subscribe. Yeah, my stats in a YouTube tell me that. No found no watch it and now subscribe. Like why? What me doing live? Me a good youth. Give me the support now, please. Give me support, people, please. Because I work hard to make sure so I get to the content daily, on a daily dose of laughter. You know, so I work hard for that. So one must can work hard with me. Okay, alright. Then that's something to come. Pull up, jump out. Yo, look at me look good, man. Look there. Yo, neat. Need to have nothing for me.
Hello?
Slick. Oh, you must be Michael's boy. Oh,
Yeah, I'm Michael
man.
boy.
Sometimes enlightenment, it can be a real bitch. Good to meet you.
Yeah, likewise, homie.
We hear you're a competent repo guy, yes?
This is kind of like a little hobby of mine, requisitioning the underappreciated possessions of my contemporaries for some wealthy communists in China who will value them much more.
What?
Robbing my so-called friends, Slick.
Why?
Why? Because they have things nobody else has, because they can afford it, because frankly, I'm rich enough to do whatever the fuck I want, and you're poor enough not to ask me any goddamn stupid questions.
I this mean
that
a
is a
black
friend.
head boy.
Namaste.
That's a nice fucking speech about the value of friendship.
Oh, of course, you must be the creepy one.
And that's coming from you, please. What's going on?
You're gonna dress up as traffic cops, and you're gonna rob 2 trust fund kids that I know and dislike intensely.
Why?
We can get a good price for the vehicles in Asia. Look, complete the work, you'll all be well paid.
You're late, sugar tits.
Yep. So what's going on?
Sugar tits.
You finally get to realize your childhood dream and dress up as a cop.
Mr. Weston's research team suggests the 2 boys like to ride on the Sonora Freeway.
Sounds manageable.
Hey, you 2 get going.
Ooh, let's go, T.
Dog, I don't know if this shit is for me, homie. My life's already way the fuck out of control.
All right, look. I'm a Darwinist, brother, all right? Some prosper and some struggle. Now, are you out of your goddamn mind? This is your lucky break. Choose. Now, are you gonna do this, or have you simply found your level in life?
Me not like you.
I guess we're
Don't like you.
Yeah, I'll get you a wheel, homie.
Me not like you one bit. Yo, if we get the chance, make a bust head. If we get the chance, make a bust your jelly. Me I tell you that straight. Yeah, try to tell me about poor and this. Dog, like, you don't need to do that, brother. Whatever you want, dog, no matter what you have, gunshot still can kill you. And me have whole heap put down for your boy. Ramp with me and you see something. Yes, man. Boy, yo, boy, Trevor, idiot, you know. You come and say to Michael. Oh, ramp, yes, me go. Oh, reverse. Reverse, 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 reverse. Alright, let's go. So I'm going to dress up as cop and thief somebody something. You know, why am I telling you? Car or something like that. Okay, okay. Yeah, me get it. Me comprende. So I could do it. You see it. Or your friend. Your friend. Oh, come on. Come on. People, remember say regular come up. I may pull over and ask the regular to car. Like when I'm looking at my face, I may ask the regular. Alright. A cowboy rides into town on Friday. The cowboy stop for 3 days and ride back out on Friday. How him do it? Simple. Cowboy riding a town. On Friday, stop for 3 days. Right back out on Friday. How him do it? Michael, where you come? Oh, I'm come, Michael.
Hey, I'm nearly with these dudes, man. You guys comfortable on your end?
Yeah, I guess. Really pretty ridiculous.
All right, man. Look, I'll see you soon.
Yeah, we'll pick you up coming through Grave City. Get the drivers there. Get them going at speed.
Alright. Respect, Michael. So yeah. Cowboy rides in a town on Friday. Stop on 3 days. Right back up on Friday. How him do that? So, what am I saying? A gun store? Hold on. Wait. Now come on. Yeah, now come on. Sorry if something in the back of me. Can I put something go, man? I thought treating so like say me a criminal. Gas station. Stop at gas station.
7mm.
Oh, so you carry them there? Whoa.
One of you two is for real. So get in your cars and let's see if they move as fast as your mouth.
Wow.
Who wants to race us? We were just getting out of here anyway. All right.
Why am I go take up race for and me can't drive? I'm gonna take a break for me can't drive. Look at the man I'm gonna left me. Let's go. A special ability, no boy. No, no self. No. Oh, yo. No, no self. Don't let me car. What you want to do? Straight defense. Straight defense. Yeah. Watch out, Michael, them, man. I'm come in, man. And come start them, boy, yeah. What you do, no boy? No, yourself. What you do? You know me? Get them fast enough. Look here! Never mean to do that. Look here! Look here, people! Crowd of people. You know, here we go. If them boy beat me, I'm gonna kill them. Oh! I lose them! Quick, dog! I'm gonna lose them. No, not yet. Okay, that's good. Watch it. Come on, drive like your life depends on it, dog. Don't crash again. If you got you the middle, yeah. Alright, drive like your life depends on it, dog. Don't crash again. See them, yeah? You lose them, you know? Boy. Watch it, youth. Them dead?
Hey, you don't see me
Them dead?
driving here?
Yeah, you don't see me drive? Watch it and come off the road and look at that car, man. No, yourself. Watch it. Got you. Youth, you're a thief. You a thief. Me know you're a thief. I pass you out. But you're a thief. You're a big thief. Youth, where? You're a thief. What gonna pass now? What am I do? Turn? Alright, I'm carry on. Okay. Watch it! Hui! Up on the outside. Take it on the outside. There you're up on the outside. And nobody know there fit turn to. Answer your phone, Michael, quick.
Coming up now, man. Be there in a few seconds.
Why?
Whatever. Here they come. I'll tell you about that later.
Franklin, wait up! Franklin, wait!
They're too far ahead. We gotta catch up to them if we want them to stop.
Oh God, me now no ability with the man now. Oh, Trevor.
Maintains his pursuit.
Okay, alright. Forward. Stop! Oh no, tap! Tap in the name of Trevor. Tap in the name of Trevor Law.
I don't think they can hear the sirens. We got to get close.
See, you see me I try. I want a boy. Go on, man, and stop bullying me.
And we gotta stick with them. They gotta stop sometime.
Don't drop off. That's enough for them. Don't drop off.
Or is that my imagination?
We're not getting on them, man. Them a go on them, do them thing.
Stay on
Michael
them,
faster.
they'll stop eventually.
Oh, Michael faster. Hard shoulder.
I'm on them.
Hard shoulder. Shoulder way hard me depan. Shoulder way hard me depan.
Toledo Bay. Traffic might slow them down.
Yeah. Ooh, boy, didn't jump off and I die. You see that?
Patience will be rewarded. Stay with them.
Stay with him. They're there with him.
We've driven around the whole of southern San Andreas before they stopped. Frank's still on them. The dickhead probably wanted to stop and take the heat.
Yeah.
Ooh, when I catch these assholes.
Yo, me really and truly want to jump off the bike here now. Me I go on too good to jump off here now. Don't talk too soon though, because every time I talk about crash, me always crash. Oh, me ride people, always me riding. Don't you like it? Talk the truth. Well, say start ride more. Alright, that is what I will do. Loud driving.
They're slowing down. This looks like our shot.
My ass is dead.
Why? Why if your ass are dead? Don't jump! You coming in and jump off? We're not at the car. We can't shoot them.
Sweet.
Whoa, hey, stay in the car there, homeboy. I'll deal with you later.
Yeah, fuck you too.
Yeah, go where you go. Beat. Yes, man.
Gee, I don't
Fast
know,
enough.
officer. I try to keep it under the limit.
Well, you and your boys look like you were drag racing from where we were sitting there, so why don't you get yourself out of the car? Come on.
Officer.
Officer.
Is this entirely
Yes,
necessary?
it is. Get on. Come on. Hands on the car. Let's go. Come on.
Get out of the fucking car. Hey!
Hey!
What are you doing? Fucking car.
All right, we got to make sure.
Get out of
Trevor,
the
fish,
fucking
you know.
car, you pint-sized
This is why I'm not like playing Trevor, you know. See, you saw him do a while ago, though.
Get the fuck out of here!
You saw him do a while ago?
Hey, man, you
Fish
know
movie,
who
I
wants to try?
Let's have a real race.
Watch it, man. Come on a race. Move!
You gotta
Watch it.
fool. Hey, you that lady? The intense dude's assistant. Right?
No, 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 no! Ha! 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 What? Oh, that! Oh my God!
I need to tell Devin we got them cars.
Mr. Weston will not discuss matters like this with you on the phone. I'll be your port of call for business concerns.
Well, shit, me and your boss ain't gonna have any no concern.
Move, you just mash me up a while ago. Where? Steady, 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 steady.
So Devin's lawyer says we gotta take them to Hayes Autos in South LA. I'm gonna be there well ahead of you.
Asshole.
Well, I ain't hanging around, man. Let's go, but don't mess up the cars, you hear me?
Look at me attack when I mess up car. Look at my car. That not right? Look at. Yo! What I set him off?
Hey, it ain't no fun if no one's pushing me.
Yo, done what?
Hey, Frank.
Well, boy.
Yeah.
Ah! No, 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 Franklin! Ooh.
These cars. This is an opportunity.
Yeah, if you say so. You know what, right before I met you, I was boosting rides and racing. It feels like it come full circle to me.
Come on.
Nah, I'm serious. If you hadn't got me fired from my repo job, this is exactly the kind of shit I be doing. So thanks, dog.
Watch it, my
All
car.
the crap we've been through. Man, you got me right back where
Far we are going, man.
at anyway.
Ooh! Split the defense. Why-yoy! Look at that! Look at that! Why-yoy! Why-yoy! Them bad at me? Oh!
Will you keep quiet?
No, 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 no! Who passed me?
That's all you got.
Whee! Michael passed me. Oh, gosh. Watch it, man. Watch it. Yeah.
Devin Weston, he ain't like anyone you worked for before.
Devin, I idiot, man. Devin, I idiot. Or Devin, whatever his name. Devin Weston. Punk that.
Man, he runs his mouth, wants me to boost cars, and most likely gonna be paying me a fraction of what they worth. You know,
Want to shoot him, you see? Want to shoot the Devin Weston, whatever his name is, you see? I'm about to shot right in Dula Mangala.
sound that different, to be honest.
You must... This guy is. Look him.
Come look, people. Talk to me. Talk to me.
I've seen his house. He can make things happen.
So, he
Talk to me.
like...
Come look.
You,
No, no, no. Whoa.
what you were...
Talk to me, people. Talk to me, people. Come look. What I say now? Eh? What I say? Eh? What I say? Eh? Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice, man. Nice.
So he like to you
Yeah.
what you were to me. I see your house. I think this dude can take me places.
Yeah, maybe. Something like that.
Talk to me, nice people. I'm driving up to.
Hey, you just turned
Oi.
into a buck.
What's your angle, Mike? What do you mean? Like, how am I gonna beat your ass in this race?
Oi!
I mean, is it just the smell of green, or is there some other thing with this guy and you? You know, it feels funky. Hey, I'm just trying to do what's best for Frank.
Watch it,
Less of
man.
the chances he's given.
Oh, yo, run some go. Around there, 30 miles an hour. Police! Oh, no.
It's about the girl. I saw her first. Don't get too creepy, alright? She's a professional woman who's doing a job. Leave it at that.
No,
Should I look at?
all right, dog.
Oh, dog! No, dog!
No,
You can't make them beat you now.
Workplace team, not on my watch.
Come on, car. Compared to them car. You can't look good.
Gentlemen, I love you all. Oh God, this is gonna be
Man, I love you.
fantastic. One kid and two old creeps. Who the fuck would have thought it?
Gentlemen, move the vehicles.
Hey, gimme 5, 5, and 5. Oh, hey, chest
man,
kiss, homie. Boom.
Dog, come on, man. You got the fucking paper?
Absolutely. Look, you finish the job, you get the paper. But the order was for 5 cars. If I'm not mistaken, that's only 2. Just give me the fucking money now. Oh, I'm so scared. I really am. But you know what? I'm a payment on completion of work type of guy. You don't like the job? Take a fucking walk.
Hey, come on, man. Hold on. So what's next, man?
Well, it's the Z-type. Chad Mulligan.
Lay it on him, kid.
Mulligan's a record producer. He's going through a messy divorce. He's hiding his valuable assets, including the car, so that makes it complicated. He'll clock any ground surveillance we run. All we've got to go on is that the car's in a lockup in Howick.
So we just go house to house?
Not quite. We have access to an LSPD helicopter.
Drive
The
back.
computer on board can ID pedestrians from a chip in their driver's license. Find Mulligan in Howick, follow him to the lockup, someone on the ground collects the car.
All right, so who does what?
You're not needed for this job. Phillips, you're in the chopper. Clinton, you're on the ground.
Yeah, I don't understand the deal between you two.
Yeah, well, I don't understand the deal between you two either. But you know what? Life is just one long mystery. Bye-bye, gentlemen, and stay spiritual. Oh, and Michael, I'll be in touch about your friend, Solomon.
All right, good.
Yo, man, I like that brother. I swear I like him.
Man, when am I gonna get a paycheck for one of these legs?
That me want know. That me want. I be a work them a work me. I not get no money. But anyway, the mission the pass. So people, me go end the video here so cause it's done been drawn out by the first part of what one already. Guys, please make sure you follow me over on Instagram. See it up on the screen right now. Make sure you answer the wriggle to get your shout out. Yeah. And guys, I will see you in the next episode. Episode. It's
Rich!
Episode, man. Me a Jamaican episode. I'll see you in the next episode, people. So if you can't be good, be lucky. If you ain't got nothing good to say, you know what it is, man. Don't say nothing at all. You hear that?
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, your body just. Yeah. You cockapee. You cockapee. You cockapee. Gal. You cockapee. Oh, your bumper so broad. Oh my God. Give me your number if you put in on me SIM card. Them gal they a fraud. Played out like record. Thank the lad. You know touchy like dog. You cutie. You mix with Spaniard. Picture me and you are touching on me granny yard. Yo. Latest people. Be safe.